Welcome back. So now the second problem. Remember the rule is to make sure the coefficient of x squared is 1. But here we have the coefficient to be 2. So what do you have to do? You take the coefficient of x squared outside, then you can have your x squared in peace. Then what next? Since 2 is outside, then 12 is divisible by 2, so you have negative 6. Then you still have your constant. Now you can now use completely the square here. So the coefficient of x is what? Negative 6. Now you divide by 2, you have negative 3. Then you square that, and the square is what? Positive 9. So you add, okay, let's do it like this. You add this one to your x squared negative 6x, and you subtract this one from your constant. So you have what? You have 2x squared negative 6x. You add negative 3 squared, and you subtract. Now, as you can see, you have 2 outside, so you cannot subtract 9, because if you subtract 9 and you expand the whole expression here, it will not be equal to the expression here because of the 2 you've taken outside. So you have to consider that. So you have to, so this is positive 9, right? So you have positive 9 here, and you multiply by that 2, you have 18, so that is negative 18. Now what next? So you have 2. What do I say you do? You will connect the ones with square. That is x. What's the next one in squared? Negative 3. Negative 3 or squared. Now this is positive 8, positive 11, negative 18. This is what? Negative 7. And this is rewriting the expression by completing the square. If you expand this, if you just want to check if you are right, if you expand this, you have 2 into the square, x negative 3 squared. So this is what? X squared negative 3x positive 9, which is x squared negative 6x positive 9. So that is x squared negative 6x positive 9. And you have what? Negative 7. So this is what? 2x squared. So this is 2x squared negative 12x positive 18 negative 7. So what do you have? 2x squared negative 12x positive 18 negative 7 is what? Positive 11, which is same thing. This is negative 12, yeah. So this is same thing as the expression given. So, but this that we got here is actually useful in some problems. So we need this knowledge before we get to such problems. So that is the essence of using the completed square to rewrite this expression, because it will be useful. You got it? Nice. So we'll move to the next set of problems. We're still dealing with algebra, and I hope we've been enjoying this so far. So I'll see you in the next video for new set of problems. See you.